Welcome to the numerical series of highway. We are going to solve our second numerical. In this numerical, it is asked to find out or to calculate the stresses at interior edge and corner region. That means find out the stresses at the critical load condition, critical load positions, okay, of the cement concrete pavement. And it is mentioned here, use Westergaard equation. These are the empirical equations given by the Westergaard for finding out the stresses that is comes out due to the load at the interior edge and corner point using the following data. Here data is given as V load is given 44,100 kg, and the modulus of elasticity for the cement concrete is given as 3 into 10 to the power 5, Poisson ratio 0.15, and modulus of subgrade reaction, that is K is equals to 25 kg per centimeter cube, and radius of contact area A is equals to 12 centimeter, and thickness of pavement H is equals to 18 centimeter. So now we start our solution. To solve this question, first of all, you should know what is the equation of the Westergaard for the interior edge as well as the corner region. So you learn all these three equations, very important. Go through it. This is the stress for the interior, stress for the edge, and stress for the corner. So for this question, the unknown in this equations are, let's see here, the P, the load is given in the question, okay, the P is given, we have V, and H is given, this is the thickness of the pavement. But what is L and B here? It is not mentioned in the question. The L is the radius of relative stiffness, and B is the radius of equivalent section, ठीक है, equivalent resisting section, radius of equivalent resisting section. So first we need to calculate the value of L and B. So what is the formula of L? L is equals to EH cube upon 12K 1 minus mu square to the whole power 1 by 4. Okay, so we are putting the value of these. E equals to 3 into 10 to the power 5 into H is equals to 18 की cube, 18 cube upon 12 into K 25, 1 minus, what's the value of mu? 0.15 the square and the power whole 1 by 4, right? So the value is comes out by the calculating these numerical values is 50.61 centimeter. Okay, so now we have our L. How we can find out our B? Radius of equivalent resisting section B is equals to 1.6 A square plus H square 0.675 H, and B equals to A. This depend upon the condition. If A is less than 1.724 H, then we use the value of V is equals to under root of 1.6 A square plus H square minus 0.675 H, and if A is greater than this value, then we directly put the value of B is equals to A. Okay, so we first of all we find out the value of 1.784 and check if it is greater than A or less than A. So 1.724 into what is the value of H is 18 centimeter. 18. This comes out to 31.032. That means this value is greater than value of A, because value of A is how much? It is 12 centimeter only. So this criteria is fulfilled. So we find out the value of V from this one. 1 under root of 1.6 a square plus h square minus 0.675 h. Okay, so here we find out our value of b at downside. B is equals to under root of 1.6. What is the value of a? A is a 12 centimeter. Here is a is 12 centimeter, so 12 square plus what's the value of h? 18 centimeter. 18 square minus 0.675 into 18. So after calculating this value, the B is comes out 11.39 centimeter. Okay, so now we have the value of P, H, L, B, and all these values are constant here. So we can easily find out our stress interior or internal or edge and at the corner as well. So 0.316 into what is the value of P? 4100. H, what is the value of H? 18. This is the square of 18 log base 10. What is the value of L? Comes out 50.61 upon this value is 11.39 plus 1.069. Okay, so when we calculate these values, the value of the sigma i's comes out 14.63 kg per centimeter square. Similarly, we can calculate both the value for the edge as well as for the corner. 72 into 4100 upon here is 18 square 4 log 10. L की value, what's the value of L is 50.61 upon value of V is 11.39 plus 0.359 and it comes out 21.35 kg per centimeter square. And similarly, we can calculate the value of sigma c by putting the all the value of V, H, A and L in this equation. It comes out after calculating, putting the value in this equation is 18.25 kg per centimeter square. Okay, so in this lecture it is enough. In next lecture we solve our next problem. Thank you so much.